Hey guys, Adam the Paranormal Polynesian here, and this is the conclusion of this shit show known as Flagship Homes. If you're wondering why my hair looks like this, it's because I've been pulling it out over the past 6 months, just trying to keep myself sane. Oh, by the way, if you're new to watching this channel, my name's Adam. If home and travel and food is like your thing, then definitely subscribe to the channel. We have a lot of cool, creepy, and fun stuff coming up in the near future. So I'm just going to start the video off on the day we moved into the house and just show you how that house looked when we moved in. And you tell me if you would accept that. After that, I'll give you a tour of the house today. I know a lot of people were interested in how I would have decorated it and stuff, and it's not done by any means, it's not even close. We'll just see how we look after, 6 weeks of being here. Yeah, and then after that, I'll just give you my final thoughts on the build process. So let's do this. Good morning. It's moving day, you guys. And yes, I always wake up with sunglasses on. It's easier on my eyes. And easier on yours so you don't have to see my face. The movers are here and they've moved most of the stuff. And Winnie's having a meltdown. So I hear there's drama at the new house, so let's go see what's going on. So we're here at the house. We're moving in. Bought the house is ours, have the keys. I had to run upstairs and check on the bathroom, and it is filthy, and there are workers in there still putting the shower together. So I came downstairs and just want to show you how the house looks on move-in day. Yeah, it's not finished. They're still spackling and painting, and we've already purchased this home. This was all promised to be done. Doesn't look done to me. So before they even put in the drywall, they refused to give us the wall outlets that were clearly on our blueprints in the upstairs hallways. But then they come in our moving day and knock a hole out of our living room that we didn't even ask for and give us a wall outlet there, because big surprise, they didn't even pass inspection on this house. Who gives you a house with a shop vac and paint and wood and saws and no doorways and everywhere? Like, who does that? And then the bathroom, after all of the drama with everything being crooked and needing to be finished, they still weren't finished. And then I go to put my hand on the door just because I thought I saw something, and I sliced my thumb off on the door because they chipped the glass door on the shower and putting stuff in and just being careless about everything. Here we have the vent hood. Above the vent hood there you see the patchwork that's just barely been done that needs to be painted in another few days. I mean, this is moving day. So yeah, my movers can't even move the furniture because this house is completely covered in dirt. So now I'm Swiffering so that I can move in. Absolutely ridiculous. F***ing Flagship. So fun! Hi friends. It's been 8 hours. We're finally done moving and getting cats in the house and falling on ice and breaking toes and bleeding. But we're here. We're moved in. So, yeah, that's how the house looked on move-in day. It's like I said, we've been here for 6 weeks, and they still have a handful of things to fix on the exterior and on the interior. At the end of the day, I want Flagship Homes to, I hope they see this. I know they won't give a because if you read the reviews online, they've never done a damn thing for anyone. But my hope is, like, one day when I'm famous, one day when people have watched my channel for long enough and I get that exposure, I hope that, they can pull their head out of their ass and maybe offer to compensate us for all of the stress they put us through. I mean, I can't give you guys a number of the amount of money that we lost just through dealing with the move-in changes, the move-in date changes, and just the driving back and forth 40 miles each way just to make sure they're not f***ing up another thing. I think they owe us something. I don't know what that is, but I would like some sort of compensation. So we'll see what happens. If it does, then I'll do a follow-up video, but I'm not going to hold my breath. Here we are at the front entrance, and Winnie's greeting us. Ooh, watch out, girl. I put that light in the other day. This area here is the den / my office until I convert the third car garage into the music studio and everything. I just threw stuff in from storage in this room. I love a lot of color, but I keep saying I'm gonna do this room monochromatic, so we'll see. Ew, David. But this is where I make my YouTube videos, and we hang out in here as well. And that couch doubles as a futon, so if anyone spends the night, we have an extra guest bedroom. Here's the powder room, nothing to it. I haven't done anything with it. I'm gonna be wallpapering this whole room. And oh, this is my favorite part. The blueprints to the Haunted Mansion. And that wall back there with the mirror, we're gonna wallpaper that as well later. These are all videos you guys can watch on my channel in the future. Here's the living room. I just painted that wall a few days ago. I love that color. It's like a greenish black. And that as well will be another video on the channel for you to watch. I haven't decided what I'm going to quite do with this room. I don't like those curtains for sure, so those are gonna go. But I do love these dark velvet green armchairs. We got those from IKEA. There's little Rhiannon. The kitchen. I wallpapered that backsplash. Also another video to check out. 25 bucks, that's all it cost. I mean, I gotta redo a few parts of it, but 25 bucks, you know what I'm saying? Until I get some tile put in. And people keep asking me to see the pantry. So here it is. Don't judge me. It's a hot mess. I know. But that could also be like double as a panic room or something. Because all I need in a panic room is some food. Look at this little cutie. Yeah, did those pendant lights myself. Those were from IKEA as well. Only 19 bucks a piece. Here's another view of that backsplash I did. Okay, let's head on upstairs. Now, when we go upstairs, just know that I haven't done anything with the upstairs. I just threw stuff in from our old apartment, so it's just a big old hot mess. And yeah, so I've not even remotely started on this level. This is the guest bedroom. It's got a Shining theme going on from The Shining. I love my horror films. Not sure what I'm gonna do with this, but I just had these curtains lying around and found this stuff in storage, so that's it for now in this room. Here's Barney's office. We'll just be quick in here. It's not my place. But he's definitely got his collection of things I love. Guest bathroom. This as well, I'm going to be wallpapering, redoing all the lights and the mirrors. Stay tuned for those tutorials. I like the bathrooms here. They all have closets in them, which is nice. Crooked light fixtures. Hello, it's me. And I forgot the laundry room. This is, oh god, this is embarrassing. There's just stuff everywhere. This is where the cats go to the bathroom. This is a really nice bathroom for cats. Beautiful outside. Gotta do something with that. Hello, you kitten? What are you doing? Hey, you. Mwah. Here's the front little foyer to the master bedroom. I don't know what to do with any of this. It's very awkward size. And they didn't put our outlets on the walls like they were supposed to. I had a whole plan, but it's all screwed now. But that's a story for another day. Here's the master. Finally have the vaulted ceilings. And then back behind that bed, I'm going to get the wallpaper from the Golden Girls in Blanche's bedroom. It's going to be hot, you guys. Just wait till that video. But right now, it just looks like a mishmash. The doorway here is finally even and painted. We're going to be making a barn door that will go across this entrance so that the sun doesn't blind my eyes. And here's the bathroom, the bane of our existence. At least we have a shower door that doesn't cut us anymore, and the wall's somewhat straight between the tub and the shower. Of course, they still haven't fixed this. I think they offered to repatch it again, but that doesn't do a thing, because the last time they patched it, I got in the tub and the damn thing just popped right out again. So they need to replace the tub, although I don't want them in my bathroom or my house anymore. I just want to be reimbursed at this point, but you know, we'll see what happens. Flamingos! I love flamingos, you guys. I love everything tropical. I don't know what I'm gonna do in this room, but it will be definitely something fun, and I'll be taking you along with me when that happens. And who are these handsome fellows? Okay, that's all I got for now. Till we go outside later in the spring. So if you want a house with a fun little floor plan that is nothing but a nightmare the whole way there, then Flagship Homes is for you. I hope you do. I hope that you've learned something from going on this journey with me, and I hope it can help you yourself if you're building a house, because you need to be careful. These be taking advantage of people left and right. They're shady as so good luck. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you on my other shows. So stick with me on this channel. It's been fun having you guys, and bye-bye.